RI5 for OADC. Adopted Taiwan Highman Precision Guide Rail. The height assembly precision error of the guide rail is within 0.005. The side precision error is 0.005. The center and center height of the screw assembly are also within 0.01. Guide rail and screw assembly of X-axis beam. The center and height of the guide rail are also within 0.005 mirror. The error of the assembly center and center height of the screw is also less than 0.01. The precision of the 3-axis assembly of the machine is less than 0.01. The vertical and parallelism of the 3 axes are also less than 0.01. The tool magazine adopts Servo 8 tool magazines. The installation must be checked for accuracy and error by a ball bar meter from Renishaw in the UK. Ball bar can detect machine straightness, verticality, and roundness error values. It can also detect the error and reverse clearance accuracy of the screw. Renishaw's laser interferometer detects the error of each thread of the screw in the travel range, then perform the cumulative error compensation of the machine. The precision of the machine is more perfect, and the compensated machine error value is 0 to 5. This is R5 for OCNC.